Let's look at some problems using these equations. Sound wave has a frequency of 205 Hz and travels the length of a soccer field, which is 95 meters, in 0.255 seconds. What is the speed of the wave? What is the wavelength of the wave? And what is the period of the wave? So as always, we start by writing down what we know. Frequency equals 205 Hz. Distance it's traveling is 95 seconds, or 95 meters, and the time 0.255 seconds. So to find velocity, we can do velocity equals distance over time. So in this case, our velocity equals 95.0 meters divided by 0.255 seconds. And before we round our answer, we have to think about significant figures. Both of these numbers have 3 significant figures, so we will round our answer to 373 meters per second. To find the wavelength, we would have to use this equation because it's the only equation we know with wavelength in it. So our velocity equals wavelength times our frequency. And we've written the units as hertz, but it's important to remember that that just means per second. Otherwise you won't see why we get the right number here. So we divide both sides by 205. And we realize we have to round to 3 significant figures. And dividing meters per second by per second means the seconds cancel out. And we get 1.82 meters. The last question is, what is the period of the wave? We don't have a whole lot of options here. The only equation we have with period is frequency equals 1 over period. So our frequency was 1 over our period. To find the period, we do 1 divided by 205, and we can find that the period is very small, 0.00488 seconds. So the way those are related, remember the frequency means 205 waves pass a point in 1 second, and the period means that it takes 0.00488 seconds for one full wave to pass the point.